date that's on.
Oh, are we on now?
Yeah, I think it looks good. Do we look good?
I think we look good.
Well, that was a long trip.
It was a long trip.
Serbia was fun though.
Yeah, it was.
So, what we're going to do?
We're gonna work on the intro.
Yeah, true. Okay, I have a few suggestions for the track. We're introducing a new season, which means...
It's gotta be different.
I'll show you a few things first, then you help me choose, okay?
Okay, deal.
I'll have a sip.
Okay, so what are we looking for with sounds?
Yeah, I was in charge of that, wasn't I?
Mm-hmm.
Did I do it?
Hopefully.
Okay, let me check. All right, there you go. So, okay, I was trying to think about the place between two seas, a really narrow isthmus. I was thinking about this. What do you think?
I don't know if that fits so well.
Really, how come?
It's missing something.
Missing something, okay. Have you liked the food so far?
Oh man, the food.
Okay, so listen to this.
Okay.
Walking around, just looking at street food.
Yeah, I can see that working. Hey, are you drinking my wine?
Uh-uh.
Are you gonna finish my wine?
Uh-uh.
Are you gonna pour me more wine?
How about this?
I don't know if I like the sound of that. It's kind of annoying that the screen is blurred when we're recording.
No, I'm sorry. Do you have a better idea then?
No, not really.
Okay. Actually, now that you mention it, it's kind of annoying. Colors. Something colorful. What sounds colorful? Obviously, color doesn't apply to sounds. Or you said like, that sounds that way. Oh, that sounds red. Well,
I suppose lyrically, but we're not working with lyrics.
Lyrically, okay.
Remember the other day when we were feeding seagulls and then a seagull came and just snatched the bread out of my hand?
I think that was probably your fault.
How is it my fault?
How is it my fault?
Well, it's not your fault.
It's the seagull's fault. So, okay, we have seagulls at the sea, seagulls, snatching bread off people, and now I have to pair that with a sound. Oh my God, and I'm the baby.
No, you're not the baby.
I know I'm not. Okay, how about this?
That's exactly what the seagull would have wanted to hear.
I hate that seagull already. It's my wine. It's my wine. It's my wine.